Few weeks ago, Google announced about this new tax information that you have to fill in your Google AdSense account. So if you're a YouTube content creator or you have a blog out there that you post on and you have a Google AdSense account, you need to update your Google AdSense account with this new tax information. And in this video, guys, I'll show you guys how to update your tax information on Google AdSense. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right into it. Hi guys, I hope you guys can see me in this new blue light out here. So guys, I'm Chido original. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I basically teach you guys how to make money online, how to invest your money and make your money work for you as well. So you might consider hitting that red subscribe button below and turning on the bell notification beside it, so you'll be notified each time I drop great content like this that is giving you guys information and value. Okay guys, basically a few weeks ago Google announced about this tax information I have to fill on your Google AdSense account, and here are the steps to follow. So number one, sign into your Google AdSense account, click payments, click manage settings, scroll to payment profile and click edit. Next to United States tax info and manage tax information, click on manage tax information, and from there you know the steps to follow. So real quick, I'll log into my Google AdSense account and show you guys how it works. So guys, here is my Google AdSense account, and if you are logging in for the first time after a few weeks, you see this pop-up information that says important. Click if additional tax information is required from you. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate, right? So this is the information notification that you're going to be seeing on your dashboard. So simply come here and click on manage tax info, and it automatically take you to the payment tab. So that is where you're going to fill in your tax information. So once it takes you to your payment tab, allow it to load up, guys. So once it loads up, you can see real quick manage tax information, provide your or update your tax information. Your payments profile and country determines how your taxes are collected and withheld and reported, right? So simply come here and click on United States tax info. To get your payouts from Google, make sure that you provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. No tax info on file, so add tax info. So basically, in order to receive your payments to your local bank account in USD or euros, you have to put in your tax information. So once you click on get started, you will see a notification prompting you to put your password to log into the Gmail account that you used for your Google AdSense. It's just like a security check. After that, click on next and it will load up another interface. So once it's done, it will load this page, and here you see United States tax info. So to find the right tax info, please answer a few questions. The IRS, that's Internal Revenue Service of the United States, the US Tax Authority, requires the tax information to be reported in letters A to Z or numbers. For accented characters, use the letters only, such as N4. Okay, so what type of account is this? So it's individual account. So click on individual, but if it's not individual or entity, select non-individual or entity, then click on the next tab. So they'll ask you, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? As for me, I'll say no. If you are a resident of the United States, click on yes. So as for me, I'll click on no. So click on next, and it will ask you select W8 tax form type. So based on your previous selected answers, the W8 form is needed. So they have W8 PEN. This form is mostly common used for non-US individuals and will also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So basically they have benefits that they also issue out to some countries that have tax treaty with USA. Like countries like UK, United Kingdom can have tax benefits. They might pay 0% tax, whereas some countries might pay up to 10% tax. So that is something to look out for. Then the second option is W8 ECL. This form is mostly commonly used by a non-US business entity and individual that earns income related to the US trade or business. and files a US income tax return. So as for me, this W8 pen is what works for me for individual, non-individual, non-US individuals rather. So click on the first option and click on start W8 pen. Click on next. This is the next interface you see. Name of individual. So I'll simply put my name here. So put as your own implies. So let me put this real quick. So this is the name I want to use. Then here is the DPA. This is optional. I'll skip this for the moment. So country of citizenship, come here, drop down. As for me, Nigeria, but select as your own implies. So here is Nigeria. I'll select Nigeria real quick. Then scroll down. Here they ask you for your taxpayer identification number. Your tax identification number, that is TIN, is a processing number that's required by the IRS. So basically what they're trying to say, if you're a non-US citizen, you have your tax identification number. Everybody has one. If you don't know where your own is and you're living in Nigeria, just contact the FIRS. That's the people in charge of tax in Nigeria. So they'll give you your individual, even if you don't have a business. Everybody that is a citizen of Nigeria or whichever country you are has a tax identification number, that's TIN. So make sure you get yours. So I'll simply put mine here. Okay, so this is the one I want to use for this, and it's 8 digits in number, so you can get yours and know what to do. So then after that, click on next. Here's where it will prompt you to put in your address. So permanent residential address. Permanent residential address is a PO box in care of address. So you require to submit your additional documents. So this is the permanent address. Country is Nigeria. Address line 1. So put your address as your own implies. So I'll simply put this for the purpose of this tutorial. I'll use a random address. So this is what one I want to use. So line 2, if you have line 2, you can add it. Suburb, if you have any suburb, you can add it. Town, I say Enugu. Postal code, I say 40020. States, I say Enugu State, right? So this is the one I want to use. Or let me simply check this. Let me say Enugu postal code. So Enugu State postal code is this 400-213. So 400-213. I almost got it. I just omitted the 3. So this is the one I want to use for this. Your billing address, postal is the same as permanent address. So check this. So your mailing address, if it's the same as your permanent or residential address, just check this and you are done. After that, click on next. So this is the next step, tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So no or yes. Under tax law may impose a 30% withholding tax on payments that are considered an US source income. This tax may be reduced or eliminated for any payee that qualifies on the relevant tax rate, right? Resident of country claiming treaty with the US. So this is basically what it is. If you are claiming you want a reduced taxed payments, just click on yes and you select the country that you are claiming to be residing in. So for instance, I might click on this, then resident of country claiming US tax treaty. I might check on this, select country. I might choose UK because I know UK for sure has tax treaty with the United States. So I might just leave it at this and come here, special rates and condition. You may screen after select any type of claim feature type of services. I'll click on services. They have motion, picture, and all that. Click on services. Come here, article 7 paragraph 1, 0 reduced tax. So come here, reason made as a tax and so click on this check mark, click on this, come here, select this article 12 and paragraph 1. It's not like you have any other option. This is the only option that they have here. So simply click on it, click on 0, that's reduce rates, then check this mark, then check the last one as well, click on this 12, click on 0 reduced, then check on this and click on next. Document preview. This is how your document will be generated. Review the 4 PDFs and confirm your information. So these are the 4 PDFs: the motion picture and TV, the other copyrights, services and default. So they have 4 different documents here, and if you open any one of them, it will open this type of information. So you can zoom in and zoom out, cross check all the information that you have added while registering, if they are accurate, or if you have any correction that you want to make, you can easily adjust them. So this is just where you can easily open each one of them, 4 of them, cross check every information that you did, and if you're okay with them, simply click on this check mark. I confirm that I have reviewed generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe that they are true, correct and complete. After that, click on next. So this is the certification. Under the penalty of prejudice, I declare that I have examined information in this form. So I won't go ahead and read all this, but I encourage you guys out there that listen to the sound of my voice, no matter where you are, to read through all this information and understand what they're saying. So after agreeing with everything that I've said, simply put in your legal first name and legal last name. If you have any middle name, you can add it as well. So once you have done that, you are good to go. So after that, they'll ask you, are you the person listed in the signature above? Yes, I'm the person listed there, completing the form. So if you are not the person, you will say no. So after this, yes, I'm the person, I'll click on next. So this is the last interface: activities and services performed in the US. So these are activities that performed. They have an individual entity identified, tax identification section, performed any activities, service or go within US. So yes. So status change affidavit. So are you providing tax information for a new or existing payment provider that haven't received payments on existing provider that have previously received payments? So if you have received payments from your AdSense, you simply check the one that you have. So I'm providing few new and existing or existing payment for an existing payment that I've already previously received. So I've received payment before, so I'll agree with this. Under I declare that our information has same until present. So this is another one that you have to check. So after that, if you have any changes that you want to make, you can put it here, but it's optional. So after that, you just click on submit and you are good to go. You are good to go. So you can easily go through all the information you have added just to make sure that they're accurate, because this has to do with your tax. Okay, please. Okay, so this is the one I want to check. I just cross-checked it. No. So after that, click on submit and you are done. So it will load up a congratulation page where you will